and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have what I think is going to be our last video of our Starbucks Refresher series. Today we're going to be making our Hibiscus Refresher with lemonade. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I've made a ton of Starbucks Refresher videos on my channel by now, a bunch of Copycat recipes. Now this one is going to be a little bit different. This one we're going to be using some lemonade, so it's going to be definitely a little bit more tangy, a little bit more sweet. I'm really excited for this one. And again, we have our hibiscus tea. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start out by, like always, boiling up your water, whether you're using a kettle, whatever you're using. Heat up some water, and then you're going to put a tea bag right inside, let that steep for a couple minutes, and then once that's done, you're going to transfer that into a cup or into a pitcher, depending on how much you're making, and you're going to put that in the fridge or just leave it out, whatever it is, till it gets to about like room temperature. Then what you're going to want to do is, depending on how you want to spruce this up, maybe you want to add some different powders, maybe you want to add, different sweeteners depending on how sweet you want this to be, or on your caffeine. So if you want this to have some more caffeine in it, then maybe you want to add some green coffee bean powder. That's what Starbucks uses. Maybe you want to add some green tea or something like that. Now the only thing with the powders, like you saw in my other videos, you're just going to want to take however much of this that you want, mix that with, in this case, it would be your lemonade, or your white grape juice, or some water, or the coconut milk. You're going to want to just take the liquid that you have and kind of try to dissolve that a little bit before you just put it in here and you have clumps and everything else. And then you just add everything together, mix it up, and then you get to try some. So I sped this up a bit and I did everything else, so now I'm just going to add the lemonade. I wanted to add this on camera just so we can see how the color changes, if at all, by adding this. Oh, let me see, I want to see too. How pretty is that? Now me personally, I like leaving things like this. I like that little level of separation, but if you want all the flavors to be blended equally, you're going to want to mix this up a little bit or shake it up in maybe a mason jar or whatever cup it is that you're using. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Alright guys, so I have my final little setup here and I'm ready to try it. So good, you guys. Oof, I don't know which one is my favorite. Do I like the classic one? Do I like the coconut? Do I like the lemonade? Do I like the syrup? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments section below which hibiscus refresher was your favorite, and then which refresher was your favorite overall. I'm really excited to see what you guys think in the comment section below. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.